Hello and welcome back to another episode of Python Data Engineer Interview Prep. Today we are going to solve second version of twoSum problem. Here we are given a sorted integer array in the non-decreasing order. Find the two numbers such that they add up the specific target number. So this is exactly similar to twoSum first version. The only difference is here we have to use only constant extra space. In the first version, I have used a dictionary to collect the numbers and its index in order to find the target. So in the worst case scenario, my space complexity will be O of n. But here I need to use only constant extra space. And we are given the sorted index, so we can just use a two-pointer approach here. So I have just taken an example of the second one here and came up with this illustration. And let's start with a two-pointer approach. So my first pointer L will be at 2 here and the second pointer R will be at 15 here and my target is 20. And for every two numbers, I'll be checking these conditions. So if 2 plus 15 is greater than target, if 2 plus 15 is less than target, and 2 plus 15 is equal to target. So in this scenario, 2 plus 15 is less than my target. So in that case, I'll just increment my counter L and keep R at the same place. So if I increment my L counter, that will come to number 7 here. And again, I'll check these three conditions. 7 plus 15 is greater than 20, 7 plus 15 less than 20, 7 plus 15 is equal to 20. So in this scenario, 7 plus 15 is greater than 20. So if it is greater than 20, I'll just decrease my R counter, keeping the L counter at the same position. So L is still 7 and I'll just decrement the R counter here. So from 15, R becomes 13 here. So now L is 7, R is 13. Again, I'll check all the three conditions. 7 plus 13 greater than 20, less than 20 or equal to 20. In this scenario, 7 plus 13 is equal to 20. That's when I can return the index of L and R. The only thing they asked is we have to increment the index. We have to add plus 1 to the index. So index 1, index 2 added by 1 as the integer array. This is what we have to return. So let's get started with the code and see how it looks like. I'll start with a pointer L equal to 0. R is equal to length of nums minus 1. And I'll just say while L is less than R. I'll check all these three conditions here. If nums of L is greater than target. If this is greater than target, I have to decrease R. If that is less than target, I have to increase L. If double equal to target, I have to return L plus 1 and R plus 1. And they mentioned we do find exactly one answer here, so there is no need to check for any other condition. Let's run the code. So the expected output is 1 comma 2 here. I have to return this in the list. And 1 comma 3. I'll copy this code. Let's submit this. Yeah, this one is accepted, and this is the expected output. Thank you for watching the video.